Hello everyone, I'm here to introduce the tic-tac-toe game I made in the AR setting. Let's open the app. In the first tab, we can place our game board. As you can see, we can freely choose the auto-detected plane to place our board. Let's tap here. After placing it, we can start the game. This time I added more animations and audio to give users a better experience. Let's try it. By clicking the button upper right, we choose to play against other players. Let's take a step. I designed different colors for the users, and at the same time I added the animation effect of their appearance. Yeah, just taking steps, and after the game is over, the UI I designed would appear. There are more audio reminders at the end. The restart button could help us restart the game. Then we will try to play with AI. We tap the button, play with AI, and then we point the camera at such a picture of a logo. As you can see, there will be an animated girl appearing. Just imagine we play tic-tac-toe with her in the game board, and we place our chess. Yes, and she will do next. You can see when I'm about to win, she will block me. As you can see, after she wins, she will dance happily, and I also created other animations for users to explore on their own. In the end, let's look at some buttons that I haven't mentioned. We can use the move board button to move our game board. Yeah, right here, and use the quit button let us quit the game. That's all.